Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I am going to show you the changelog of the latest RR ROM, which is Resurrection Remix ROM, and this ROM is available for our MI-A1 and Redmi Note 4, and changelog for the both devices will be same, almost same, not same at all, because MI-A1 is a B device and this is only single partition device, which is also called as A device, and this is my Redmi Note 4, not MI-A1. So this video belongs to MI-A1 and Redmi Note 4 because this ROM is same for two devices, and soon I will start making videos on our Moto G5s Plus. I recently purchased this device, which is good device. Right now there is a little bit issue with its touch screen, so soon I will make videos on this device. So as you can see, this is the device. So let us talk about this topic. Installation process I will tell you at the end of this video. So here face unlock is also available, so I will explain you main feature guys. Here your Wi-Fi hotspot everything works, there is no any issue at all, and there is no any dual 4G support for our Redmi Note 4 as you people know, and Wi-Fi calling works, video call doesn't work, and you will face a little bit camera bug in lock screen. So when you open the lock camera from lock screen, it will say like can't connect to camera sometimes. In my case it showed me error 2 to 3 times, so I have told to you people. And this is good ROM, there is good battery backup. I have charged it up to 100%, and you people may see that video may upload after 2 to 3 days because we test this ROM and we will upload to YouTube. We don't make videos for views or any subscribe. So if you people like this video, you people will subscribe by yourself. We don't need to shout out etc for those things. So leave that topic, let's come to our main topic. Here everything works, Wi-Fi hotspot, 4G, VoLTE, everything works, there is no any issue at all. And Bluetooth also work, Bluetooth you can use for calling etc etc. I have already tested it and I can't show you right now. So here you will find your customizations in Resurrection tools. So here you can enable this clock from here, so you need to click here customize clock and date. So you can turn on clock from here and you can turn it off, and you can also automatically hide that clock if you have enabled it. So after 60 seconds or after 15 seconds it will be automatically hidden from there. So right now I am not going to enable this auto hide options, and you can also enable this AM PM option. So let me show you. Oh sorry, my recent dialer was enabled. So here as you can see the clock is enabled, and you can also enable here AM PM size. So you can enable it in big size, you can enable in small size, or you can disable it permanently. And this is the clock sounds seconds, this is clock seconds, so that you can enable seconds from there and you can disable. So I use seconds, I like that, that's why. And you can also enable the day from here, it will show like Thursday, Friday etc there, and this is I have said you about that. And here you can enable your connection speed, it will be shown here, and you can also customize this clock position, so centered clock, and you can enable that upload and download speed from here. And here you will find notification ticker. I don't know about that feature, that's why I'm not telling about this. So there is no any bug at all, you can use it. I don't have idea regarding this, so I am not telling you about the topic, I am skipping. And here you will find a battery feature guys. You don't find the battery percent enabled by default, you have to enable it from here. And you can also enable this symbol so that you will be able to know when you connect your device into charger. It won't be shown by default, so you have to enable it by coming here. And you can also change the battery box or whatever you say, you can change it. So right now I'm not going to tell you about those things. And here you will find the battery bar, so it will be shown a line like that. So this is not good feature guys, you guys who will be don't know how much your battery percentage is. And here you can customize the Resurrection Remix logo, as you can see this one. So this is useless feature guys, I am skipping this. And you can also change the system icons, like VoLTE icon, so I have customized that kind of icon. So you can customize different type of VoLTE icons, as you can see like this, and there are almost 7 types. So right now I am using 6th type, so I have set it to 6th type. And you can also enable this 4G option, etc. Battery status, this is Bluetooth battery status. If you are using Bluetooth device, then your battery percentage will be shown. And here you will find status bar gestures, so that you can swipe down the notification bar in single switch. So you can also use the double tap to sleep, double tap to wake feature. It is working here, and it is also working in our MI1. There is no any issue at all regarding this. And you can enable these features guys to see the status bar. So if you connect your headset, your headset logo will be shown here. So let me take off my headset and I will show you here. So guys, as you can see, I have connected my headset and there is no any headset logo, so you have to enable it manually, then you will be able to see the headset logo. So this is headset logo, you can enable it and you can disable it from here. And here there is no any bug at all, except video calling, everything works fine here. So you can also make it working by disabling camera to API. And here I have find amazing feature guys. You can enable the recent slim recent, as you can see. So here you will find all of your recent app. You can remove it from here. So this is good feature. Right now I'm not going to discuss more about that. And here you will find quick settings, rows and columns, and you can also enable quick pull down. So if you pull like this, your notification status bar will be pulled down automatically. So these all are good features, you can use it. And the battery backup of this ROM is amazing guys. You can use this device for gaming purpose. There is no any battery draining issue. It gives you amazing battery backup, and around 1 day it will give you. So there are a lot of features guys, I can't explain you about all of these features. Everything works here, there is no any bug at all. You can fix the bug of video calling by disabling camera to API. And here you won't find any Play Store, you need to flash GApps from here. And there were noise in background, sorry for that, I will disable it by adding background music in the video. And you will find here Viper audio by installed default, by installed, it is installed freely. And Dolby Atmos also installed, not Dolby Atmos, Dolby Audio is all installed by freely. And this is not rooted ROM, so you can root or unroot as per your requirements. So soon I will make videos on devices, Moto G5s Plus and MI1 etc devices. So keep supporting us. If you have any doubts, let me know in comment section. So if you like the video, then you can like it, and if you dislike, then of course you can dislike it. And let me know in comment section what changes should I make to my videos and the reason for disliking the video. So thanks for watching the video guys. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.